There's over there, yeah. Are you cool with being in it?
Yeah, that's fine.
There'll be a lot more people in it. Thank you. That was an awesome scenario that just called Picking Up Girls Without Talking to Them. A YouTube video called Picking Up Girls Without Talking.
Okay.
Hey, before you guys cross, we're making a video called Picking Up Girls Without Talking.
I knew you were doing
You knew I was
some
doing
sort of
something?
experiment. Yes,
Okay.
I knew you were.
Hey, I appreciate your reactions were great. Is it okay if you're in the video?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, so we're going to...
Hello.
It's cold out.
Oh no, I can't. I'm engaged.
Oh, I have a boyfriend.
Oh my God.
Hi. How are you? Cool. I have a girlfriend. Like, I'm on the phone with her right now. So, I mean...
Okay, are you serious or are you just
No,
trying
I'm
to give me
serious.
away?
Do you want to say hi?
Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're actually making this video called Picking Up Girls Without Talking.
Okay.
And so this is when one of those fails.
Okay.
I mean, I'm sure it was really awkward. Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Do you mind if you're in like the extras?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
That's funny. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Okay. What's up? Is this really happening? Is it dare or something? I think so. Probably. Why? Do I have to give you $1?
I don't have any money. Good show. Cool. That's hilarious.
What? You haven't said a word. What if you're mute and I don't want to date one?
You picked the wrong girls for this, buddy.
Are you gonna talk to me? I'm not gonna give you my number if you don't. Are these are expensive glasses? Maybe I will get it. So what is this for?
YouTube.
Cool. For the views.
I'm down.
Great.
It's okay if you guys are in it.
Yeah.
Sure.
Camera's at the bottom.
Oh yeah. Oh, you have it like ready to go. Okay. Oh, that's awesome. So awesome. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
I gotta send that to her. This is your Instagram.